Hello Chosen Ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Shimmering Sands Flight Pillar in Witchspire. The desert island is significantly larger than any of the areas you've explored before, so unlocking flight here is extremely important. Traversing this region on foot can take a long time, especially with how spread out the key locations are, so activating all the flight orbs should be one of your priorities. The first flight orb we're looking for is located at this spot on the map, inside a cave right next to a Froblin camp. Unfortunately, I had already interacted with the orb before I started recording, so I can't show the exact interaction here, but the orb is definitely inside this cave. Just make your way in and activate it. For the second orb, you'll need to head into Soleil Cave, located at this section of the map. This area is hard to miss, since it's quite literally a massive hole in the ground, leading into the cave below. Jump down carefully, catch yourself with your broom, and once inside, interact with the flight orb to activate it. The third flight orb is located near the edge of a broken bridge, right at this location on the map. You can also reach this area naturally by following the markers provided by the main storyline, so there's a good chance you'll come across it during progression. For the final orb, you'll need to venture deep into the desert. It's located at this spot on the map, all the way to the west of the oasis, or west of where I placed my hearth. This is the farthest orb of the four, so be prepared for a bit of travel before reaching it. Once all four flight orbs have been activated, you'll successfully unlock flight across the desert island, making travel through this massive area far easier and much more efficient. And that's everything you need to know about how to activate Shimmering Sands Flight Pillar in Witchspire.